Everyone wants to cut the cord. Wireless headphones are convenient, stylish, and futuristic. But are they actually good? Or are we just paying hundreds of dollars for the privilege of not having a cable? Today, we are going to end the debate. We will compare audio quality, latency, lifespan, and convenience. Before you spend your hard-earned money on that trendy new headset, watch this video. You might be surprised to learn that the best technology is actually 50 years old. Let's start with the most important part, the sound. Here is the harsh truth. Bluetooth is a lossy technology. To send music through the air, your phone has to compress the audio file, chopping off pieces of data to make it fit. Think of it like streaming a movie on slow Wi-Fi versus watching it on a 4K Blu-ray. Wired headphones transmit an analog signal directly from your device to your ears. Zero compression, zero data loss. If you consider yourself an audiophile, or if you just want to hear the music exactly as the artist intended, a $50 wired headphone can often sound better than a $300 wireless one. Now let's talk about the silent killer, batteries. Wireless headphones have small lithium-ion batteries inside. Like your phone, these batteries degrade over time. In 2 or 3 years, that expensive headset will hold half the charge. Eventually, it will die completely and you will have to throw it away. Wired headphones? They are immortal. There is no battery to die, no software to update, no pairing issues. You can buy a pair of high-quality wired headphones today, and they will still work perfectly in 2040. When you buy wireless, you are renting the technology. When you buy wired, you own it for life. If you are a gamer, listen closely. Wireless technology has improved, but latency is simply physics. Even the best Bluetooth connection has a slight delay. In competitive games like CS2 or Valorant, that split-second delay can be the difference between winning and losing. Why do you think pro gamers at tournaments still use wired headsets? Because reliability is king. No lag, no interference, no battery low warnings in the middle of a match. So, are wireless headphones a waste of money? Not necessarily. If you commute, go to the gym, or hate cables getting tangles in your pocket, the convenience of wireless is worth the price. ANC, active noise cancellation, is a game changer for travel. But if you want the best audio quality, zero latency for gaming, and a device that will last for decades, stop overspending. Save your money, go wired. Sometimes the old ways are still the best ways. Which team are you on? Team Wire or Team Bluetooth? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.